About this Filmoplast P, one thing you got to know, it's really thin. It's hard to separate the backer from the liner. When I got it, I thought maybe they left the substrate off and they just gave me a liner. It is so thin. I cut off a piece. I couldn't find a way to get it off. You could feel one side's waxy and the other side's like paper. I unrolled about 2 feet of it to see if they had a leader on it or something, but no, they didn't. This is the stuff. I went to a YouTube video to see how to separate the substrate from the liner, and they showed a person fold the tape over like this, then just rub it with their fingernail and then pulled it off, and that did not work. And then my handy assistant suggested getting a piece of tape. So I got a real sticky, tacky tape. This is packing tape. Don't try to use painter's tape. It's got a removable adhesive and it's not tacky enough. It's got to be a strong permanent tape. So I laid the tape down, adhesive side up on the table, and then I used the bone folder and I burnished it down all over the whole surface of the tape. And I let it set for a couple minutes. And then using a knife, I was able to pull up on the backer. Thus, I exposed the substrate from the liner. Just like that. See that? You notice it's not perfectly transparent, but at least it's archival quality. Now that I have the tape separated, I did a fold over here so it won't stick to the liner. Just fold it over 1/8 of an inch. Load it back in the dispenser box. Then lead the end through the little cutoff tool. Clips to the lid. There we go. So I'm repairing a torn scroll. Unfortunately, the paper it's on is not archival. It's deteriorating, but at least we got an archival repair. Let's pull off some tape. Make sure your hands are clean, or any dirt you have is going to show up on the tape. Then you got to burnish it in really well with your bone folder. Make sure you go around the edges, get the interior. And voila, it's repaired. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.